What's up, Portland property people? This is Zach Whelans with the Real Property Team coming at you with a market report in the beginning of August. So if you remember last month, what did I say? I said that the market was kind of shifting towards buyers, meaning the market's kind of cooling a little bit. That trend is continuing, right? So we're going to start to see prices start to decrease. The median price house right now in Portland is $500,000. That is down from last month. Inventory, surprisingly, is also down. So we're still seeing, it's still a bit of a seller's market just because we have low inventory. So anything that's decent that comes on the market is still going pretty quickly and usually a little bit over asking. Sometimes a lot of over asking. But I think in the next few weeks, we're going to start to see that cooling trend continue. So the seller's market index of last month was 88. This month it's 84. And I think we're going to see that trend continue. As I predicted, again, I can't see into the future, but it just seems like that's the way that we're trending more towards a buyer's market. So August is, we're in the last few weeks here of summer. The garden's made tremendous growth. We've got crazy tomato plants going. We've already had some cucumbers and zucchini. It's been really fun. So again, by the time we get to September, the kids will be back in school, and who knows what the few weeks coming up are going to entail in the Portland housing market. So remember to give this a thumbs up, give it a like, leave a comment below of anything else you want to know about the Portland housing market. Buying, selling real estate, investing in real estate. Love to help out and answer any questions that you can. Again, this is Zach Whelans, the Real Property Team. And until September, we'll see you soon.